Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5. It is important to understand that Forza Horizon 5 is an exclusive title developed for Xbox consoles and Windows personal computers. Unfortunately, this means the game is not available for play on the PlayStation 5 platform. To experience this popular racing game, you would need access to an Xbox console or a compatible PC. This ensures the game remains within its intended gaming ecosystem. Platform exclusivity is a common practice in the gaming industry, where certain titles are developed specifically for one console family. Forza Horizon 5, created by Playground Games and published by Xbox Game Studios, is a prime example. This strategic decision means the game is deeply integrated into Microsoft's gaming ecosystem, making it exclusive to Xbox and PC players. It's a way for platforms to offer unique experiences. While Forza Horizon 5 isn't on PlayStation 5, there are many fantastic racing alternatives available for you. Gran Turismo 7 offers an incredibly realistic simulation experience, perfect for serious racers. For those who prefer open-world action, Need for Speed Unbound delivers thrilling street racing. Additionally, the Crew Motorfest provides a diverse open world with various vehicle types, ensuring plenty of high-speed fun. If you are keen to play Forza Horizon 5, you would need to acquire an Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, or an Xbox One console. Alternatively, the game runs beautifully on a Windows personal computer, provided it meets the minimum system requirements. You can also access the game through an Xbox Game Pass subscription, which offers a vast library of titles for a monthly fee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.